Hello there, Professor C. Welcome back for yet another exciting Python code sample. And now we're going to show the full gamut of dog age calculator 1. You should know this one pretty well. I'd like to go show you the second one, which was in a previous video, and you can see how all these lines of codes have been consolidated into one. And believe it or not, I'm going to show you how this piece of code got consolidated into one line of code. I do not recommend doing this, but I want to show you it can be done. I would only expect very advanced programmers to do this, and in truth, when I worked in the industry, I would not want my programmers to write code that looked like this. Let me show you what this is. Watch this one line of code, and we have a lot of nesting going on. So, actually it doesn't even fit on one screen. So what happens is the input happens here first. Once you enter a value, it gets converted to a float. Then it comes over to here, multiplies it by 7.3. Then it formats it as, we got to change that to 1 decimal point, and then we output it to the screen. So let's run it. It's crazy, but it works. Not recommended though. And there you go. So you have a choice. You could do way 3, not the best choice, but boy, it works. 2 is a decent compromise, but when you're learning, do 1.